Welcome to Trojan Tips, Trojan Batteries information segments designed to expand and enhance your deep cycle battery knowledge. I'm Vicki Hall, Director of Quality and Technical Services for Trojan Battery Company, and I'll be your host. Today we will be discussing proper watering techniques for deep cycle flooded batteries using Trojan's HydroLink single-point watering system. Battery watering is the most important part of any battery maintenance program to ensure long-term reliability of your battery and peak performance. Single-point watering systems have become very popular as they allow you to water your batteries quickly and easily. Watering systems can be used to evenly fill your batteries in less than a minute and avoids the mess of overfilling. Before performing any battery maintenance, safety should be your first priority. You should always wear proper personal protective equipment to include eye protection and rubber gloves to avoid any contact with electrolyte. And you should always have baking soda and water available to neutralize any spills. Trojan's HydroLink system comes either pre-installed on your batteries to take out the guesswork on proper installation, or you can purchase it separately. Today I'm going to show you how to install it on a set of batteries and how to properly use it. The first step is to remove the existing vent from the battery. Always be sure to remove it away from you. Then take the HydroLink manifold and insert it into the battery. Be sure you hear the double click to make sure that it's inserted properly. And then you should give the manifold a little tug to make sure that it's properly inserted. At this point, you do the insertion of the manifolds on the other batteries. And the next step in the process is to install the snake. You do it by removing the vent port plug in the manifold and taking the first connection on the snake and inserting it into the manifold port, hearing the double snap. And you continue that process following the instruction manuals that came with your system. Once you've completed the snake installation, it's now time to water your batteries. This is a hand pump. You take your gallon of distilled water and insert the open end of the tube into the gallon. You then take the dust cover off of the end of the snake and connect it to the coupler in the hand pump, hearing that snap. The next step in the process is to squeeze the bulb. And you're seeing the water go into the system, and you know to stop when the bulb can no longer be squeezed. At that point, you disconnect the coupler from the snake, replace the dust cover, and you finish watering your batteries.